Let's see, you got pie, man. Do it.
Do you want it? Yeah. Do you feel sick at all?
I feel really hiccupish.
Yeah. I'm kind of worried standing at your feet here that I might pop
No,
something in.
I'll never ever screw up. Sorry.
Hiccup?
How?
Maybe they're gone.
Maybe the pie fixed it. Or maybe they're just like brewing and you're
Hang on.
just going to chunder all over them.
Oh my god, it's gone.
Are they? Are they seriously gone?
It's gone.
No, have a full conversation and tell me they're gone. You have to talk.
Yeah, you gotta talk.
Otherwise you won't know. Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh!
You getting this?
Yeah, they're not gone, man.
No hiccups.
Here's one entertaining them.
What was that?
No hiccups.
Maybe not.
Maybe.
Why don't you just get like more pie in your mouth at once? That's how you get hiccups, not chewing your food. Or put the whole pie in your mouth at once. It's probably like 400 degrees and like burning your mouth on fire.
You ready?
I'm just waiting for a little hiccup to come. You're dribbling. You're dribbling. Come on. He's dribbling. He's not just hiccuping, he's dribbling.
Something up.
Hanging a little to the right, I think.
Wrong.
Oh, there goes another hiccup. See you later.
Please just chunder.
Oh wait, I've got to zoom in on the balls.
This is going on YouTube or something.
Oh yeah, babe, it's on YouTube.
How do you feel about this, Justin?
Fantastic, except the hiccups.
Aren't they gone though? Aren't they gone though?
Yes.
Aren't they gone?
What if you had like hiccups for like 10 years?
I don't know what I do.
Fuck that, you have. I got you on
I'd walk around with a muzzle on.
you on camera.
This guy's happy.
Oh, I told Chloe to come out.
Hang on one sec, I'll buy another one.
Oh my god. I told
We're off. We're